Hello student. Uh, Today we are going to study this next lesson, that is grammatical lessons, that is the progressive tense, progressive tenses. As we saw earlier, the simple tenses, that is the simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. Okay. Today we are going to the another learning this another tenses, that is the progressive tense. The word the word progressive itself gives us a meaning of the sentence, that the activity, the action is continuing. Means the action has already started, but that action was not complete. Okay, so it is a continuing process. Okay, so these tenses are the progressive tenses. Okay, so look at the first sentence, first point of this lesson, that is the progressive tenses shows that an action is in progress at the time of speaking. So it is a continuous process, okay, which are already started but not yet completed. So here are the some points, that is first look at the first sentence, that is Jane is reading a book. Jane is reading a book. Okay, so the process is continuing. Jane is already started reading books, but the reading process is going on. It was not completed. So the process of reading is continuous. Okay, look at the second sentence, that is Jane was reading at that time. Jane was reading at that time. Means the process was continued in the past times. The process was continued in the past times. At the time of speaking, the process which happened earlier was not completed. Okay, look at the third one, that is the Jane will be reading these books next week. Jane will be reading these books next week. Means in the coming week, the Jane will started reading and does not completed his reading at the speaking time. So here are the three types of sentences which are considered as a progressive tenses. Having these sentences belongs to the progressive tenses. Okay, now look at the second point, second, third and fourth, which gives us the meaning of the first, second and third sentence. Look at the first point, that is the above shows that the action is in the progress at the present times. The verb is reading is used in this sentence is in the present progressive tense. Okay, look at the second one. The second sentence shows that the action was in progress in the past. The verb was reading in this sentence is in the past progressive tense, when the time of speaking in the second sentence was already happened in the past tense. Look at the third one, that is shows the action that the action will be in progress sometime in the future. So this action will be in progress in the future times. So here we write this sentence as a will be reading. Understand? Okay, so here we understand the three type of progressive tenses, that is the present progressive tense, second the past progressive tense, third the future progressive tense. Basically the progressive word replaced by the word that is continuous. Sometimes we write this tense like the present continuous tense, present the past continuous tense and the future continuous tense. Okay, so look at the first point, that is B. The present progressive tense means the things happen at the time of speaking. Okay, the present progressive tense shows that the action is still in progress in the present. Okay, so look at the first sentence, that is Neha is riding a horse. Neha is riding a horse. The boys are cooking. The boys are cooking. I am eating an apple. So here in the present times, the sentence, the actions is continuous. The action is continuous. Okay. Look at this point. The formation of these sentences. There are the verbs which are used in a base form of verb with the suffix of ing. Okay, so am, is and are used as a base form of verb with the base form of verb with the suffix of ing. Look at the types of this progressive tense, that is present progressive tense, in a singular and plural. Okay, here in singular, I am eating, am. Okay, next is you are eating. You is a you. The plural form of you is you. Okay, it does not change. So you are eating. Okay, present tense. Singular, he or she or it is eating. Here the verb is used, it is in the singular form of progressive tense, singular present progressive tense. Okay, look at the plural form of the sentence. Plural, we are eating, you are eating and they are eating. In the plural form, the are is used with the base form of verb with the ing. R is used with the base form of verb, that is eat, eat, with the suffix ing. So here we get the informations that the progressive tense are also known as a continuous tense. Okay. Look at the second point of this lessons, that is the past progressive tense. The past progressive tense means here in this type of sentences, progressive tense, that shows the action was still in progress in the past. The action was still in progress in the past at the time of speaking. Okay, here are some pictures that shown that the things are happened and not completed in the past time. Okay, in the first sentence there was a Kumar was sleeping at the time of speaking. That in the previous time the Kumar was sleeping when this sentence was spoke. Okay, now the second one, the policemen were searching for the thief. The policemen were searching for the thief. It is a plural form of sentence in the progressive past progressive tense. Okay, and the third one is the boys were playing in the garden. So it is a plural form of sentence in the past progressive tense or past continuous tense. In this sentence given above, the actions were still going on in the past and hadn't stopped. So at the time of speaking, these actions were still going on in the past time. Okay, because that actions were not completed yet in the past time. Okay, so how it is construct these sentences, that the verb used as a was or where, the base form of verb and with the suffix ing. So for a singular we used was, where and was. Okay, for the first person I was eating, for the second person that is you were eating, and for the third person singular that is he, she, it, was eating. So was, where was using in the singular past progressive tense, while in the plural form the where is used with the base form of verb and ing, suffix ing. We were eating, you were eating, and they were eating. So this is the past progressive tense. Okay. And look at the third point, that is the future progressive tense. Future progressive tense. So in this type of here we have some pictures of the future progressive tense. That is the future progressive tense shows that the action will be in progress in the future. The action will be in progress in the future. Look at the picture. The first picture is of aeroplane. Second, the family stood on the airport arrival, and the third one is the man with the house. Okay. Look at this first sentence, that is the aeroplane will be landing soon. Will be landing soon means the action is not completed. Action is not completed. Okay, it is still going on. Okay, in the past. Okay, sorry, in the future. Okay, because yet the aeroplane was in the air and it does not started to landing on airport. Okay, look at the second sentence, the guests will be arriving at 8 p.m. Okay, means yet they were not on airport and they will be arriving at 8 p.m. So it is the future tense, future progressive tense. I shall be living in that house next year. So yet that house was not the person's house, and he will purchase that house in the next coming year and will be living in the next year. So the things, the actions will be in progress in the future tense. Okay, these are used as a shall be or will be with the base form of verb with the suffix ing. For the singular purposes we uses the verb like shall be, will be. Okay, shall be is particularly used with the singular first person, that is I. Okay, I shall be eating, I shall be eating. You will be eating, singular, you, singular you. Okay, you will be eating, and the third person is he, she, it. He will be eating, she will be eating, it will be eating. So these are the singular type of future progressive tense. Now the plural type of future progressive tense is we shall be. For the we shall be, and the next you and they are used with the will be eating, will be eating. Okay, so here we completed this another lesson that is the progressive tense. Okay, student, I will send you a homework of this lesson, a photograph on our group. Okay, you have to complete this that homework and send me a photograph on my personal number, that is 83 0 85 21 912 21 912. Okay, understand? So here we completed this lesson. Okay, bye.